Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to change shipping address on DHgate. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to DHgate.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, don't worry, you can always go and register to DHgate. So guys, now as you can see, we have in this website, we have the search bar and we have all of the categories where you can go and search from. In the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your everything about your profile, recently viewed, favorites, and the shopping cart. Now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and change shipping address on DHgate. Well, it is pretty simple. You just need to go and follow these few steps. First of all, what you need to do is go to the search bar, and in the search bar, guys, you need to go and find something that you would like to go and buy. For instance, for the sake of this video, I'll be going and clicking on sunglasses. Then when you find them, you just need to go and find, of course, the one that you would like. Click on them. And here you need to go and click which color you want. So that's basically really important, so they know which color to give you. And you, of course, need to go and click on the quantity, of course, if you want some more. And when you click on buy it now, you will have the option where you can go and change your shipping address from the past shipping address that the site memorized. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative, as I said, and that will be everything, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.